Hello everyone, this is Pooja here. Welcome to my channel. With this very first tutorial, we are starting to learn basic feature of 3D part modeling in Creo Parametric 6.0. In series of tutorials, we will cover all the basic commands like sketch tool, extrude, revolve, sweep, mirror, pattern, etc. In this tutorial, we are going to learn extrude command. So let's start. This is user interface for Creo 6.0, which is very similar to previous version. On left hand top side, click on the option new. This tab will open. On left hand side, types are mentioned, that is layout, sketch, part, assembly, manufacturing, drawing, format and notebook. Right hand side, subtypes are mentioned, that is solid, sheet metal and bulk. Now select the type is part and subtypes are solid. Here you can assign the appropriate name for model. Block underscore 1. Uncheck this use default template option so that we can define appropriate unit system. Now this window will open. Here you can see different planes orientation, which is trimetric orientation. Now as Creo is parametric tool, we need to change trimetric orientation to isometric orientation so that you can have parametric drawing. Please note that to have an parametric drawing, your 3D CAD model should be parametric. Now click on File, then click on Options. Select the model display, and here you can see the default model orientation is trimetric. Change it to isometric, then apply and then OK. Now you can see this orientation is isometric orientation. Let's click on extrude. Now this window will appear. First you need to select planar surface as a sketcher plane. Now click on placement and then define. Now this placement tab will open. Then select the plane, whichever plane you want, like front, top, bottom. After that click on sketch, and then this is the drawing of simple block which we will create using extrude command. Now there are two views given on drawing. This is the front view and this is the right hand side view. First we need to create 100 by 100 square block using a rectangle sketcher tool. Click on the rectangle, hit on sketcher plane. After that you will give the dimension and click on OK. Here you can give the dimension, that is 100. This is also 100 and then OK. Now you will see our object is created, and we need to define depth or height of the block, that is also 100 mm. Here you can give the depth. Here you can see the three different types of extrude depth. By using first option, you can define the depth value above or below of the sketch plane. You can see here, you can toggle by using this arrow. Okay. By using second option, you can define any depth value symmetric to the plane, that's exactly half above the plane and exactly half below the plane. You can see here. Here is our sketcher plane. Okay. By using third option, you can extrude with reference to any available entity such as vertex, line, plane, point, surface, etc. Now in our case, do not have any entity, use this option, so we can choose any of the above two options. Okay, now click on OK. Here you can see the block is created. Click here to see view orientation. This is the front view. Now let's create the hollow square section on the front face. Okay. Now select extrude. This is the front face, then normal. Then select the rectangle and place it on sketcher face and give the appropriate dimension, that is 60 by 60. And then OK. Now you can see the extruded part. Initially we have used the extrude command to add the material, but now for this operation we are using extrude command to remove the material. Now click on remove material and give the appropriate direction and then click on OK. So here you can see model is completed as per drawing. In case of design change, there will be dimension changes. To accommodate these changes, parametric modeling is an important feature. So you can change the dimension by editing sketch in the model tree. Now on the left side of the window, you can see the model tree. Model tree records all the operations used to create model. Now in our case, there are two extrude operations are listed here. Expand the model tree. Now sketch option under the extrude command are visible. You can edit a dimension directly from here. Okay. From here you can edit the dimension and then OK. If you found this information is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestion or queries, please comment below this video. Thank you.